I just bought my first bottle of wine for $79.99. But something here confused me because when I walked around the mall, I saw that the soap was $99.99 and the biscuit was $32.99 and the iPhone is sold at
same $4.99. No premium whatsoever.
Look, even my CapCut subscription is $7.99. And so it got me thinking, why do prices end in nines? And what does it actually do? Does it push you and me to buy more products and spend more money? See, this is the answer, left digit bias. And to understand what this means, we need to enter your brain for a second and see what happens when you see a price tag. So, you're walking down the aisle of your mall. There are a lot of products around with a lot of prices attached to them all around you. But then you find your bottle of wine and on it is a price tag, $29.99. Now pause, let's be clear. We both know $29.99 is basically $30. And at the same time, it's very far away from $20. We know that logically. However, what actually happens in that moment is that your brain takes a shortcut. Because we read from left to right, it picks up the first number it sees and it decides subconsciously that the bottle of wine is $20-something instead of $30. And that distinction is very important because it means that in your head, the bottle of wine is now in the $20 range instead of it being in the $30 range. And this probably pushes you to buy it. And it stays the same even when you increase the price. People will perceive a $299 product as a $200 product even though it is actually $300. Look at this experiment, for example. In this shop, they reduced the prices of their products by 1 or 2 pennies to get to the nines at the end. And what happened was they ended up increasing their sales by 27 to 34%. What that means is that if they were making $100 per day, they earned an extra $30 just by shaving off a couple pennies and ending their pricing in nines. So this is why a lot of the big supermarkets in Ghana, but also across the world, end their pricing in nines. But what do you think? Do you think this psychological pricing thing affects you when you are shopping? Let me know down in the comment section. Bye bye.